welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. This week I am getting out into some woodland area and taking some shots with my new to me, Canon EF 70 to 200 millimeter telephoto lens. I'm excited to see what it can do, so why don't you join me? So the new lens I got, like I said, is a Canon EF mount 70 to 200, and I know that's a bit of an older system, but it works for me. What about you? Do you have all the brand new RF mounts and stuff like that? I just found I got this on eBay. I picked it up for around 600 Canadian dollars. I think that's around 500 and change US dollars, something like that. And so far so good. Came in really good condition. Do you rely on the new stuff, or are you still working with some of the older gear? Still pretty deep snow in some places here. I have got my cleats with me if I need them, but he says almost falling. It's a good time of day. The sun's getting low, and might be some good shadow shots or high contrast shots, stuff like that. That's coming up here. I'm going to take some close-up shot of some detail on a tree, the bark, and some of the mossy lichen growing on it. So let's see what I can come up with for that. So it's nice to get out again. It's been pretty bleak, not like super cold or anything, but it's just been dull and gray and overcast. So with spring coming, it's a little bit nice to get back out and get at it. Have some different sorts of looks and scenes. And I haven't done any kind of forest photography or trails like this in a little while. It's been sort of urban shooting and some I did that zoo shoot. So nice to get back at it. Next week, at the weekend, I have a photo shoot at it's like at a studio setting, and it'll be a DJ on hand and models to pose and different lighting styles, which is something that I haven't done very much of at all. And it's just a little something different to stretch my photography and try something new. So I'll of course share any results of that with you, and we'll do some editing maybe, and of course share a gallery. But yeah, check that out, coming soon. Such a glorious day. I'm actually in a jacket and it's way too hot. So I really like this third image. It's a picture of some trees coming up through the snow, and there's some moss and growing in the bottoms, and it's being hit by nice golden highlights and casting a lot of dark shadow, which is good for contrast. So take a look. Yeah. So for the next couple of photos, I thought they suited a black and white style, so that's what I made these ones in post editing. I think they turned out okay. All right, well, let's check out the rest of the pics of the day. I think there's 3 coming up here for you to look at. And yeah, I'd love to hear what your thoughts are about any of them. It's a couple of different versions of dimensions here. All right, let's get you back home. It's time for some food. I think we're gonna have some sort of Easter meal, which will be great. I think we deserve it. Hope you liked that video and some of those photos that I took. Next time it'll be something quite different, but nice to get out and get at it again in spring. And I hope your spring is going well. Thank you for joining me in the channel. Hope to see you next time. And give me a like or a comment if you've seen anything you like. That would be great. And maybe even subscribe. All right, let's go. Let's go. Yeah.